latest in parachutes, said to open quicker because that cone guides air into the canopy. The vents reduce shock when it opens. This is the first public test of the invention designed to permit a bailout from 75 feet. The first parachute descent was made near Paris 144 years ago, and experiments leading to improvements have been going on ever since. This one may lead to new and better designs until at last the perfect parachute is discovered, not only for war purposes, but for the future when everybody will travel by air. Commando training, American style. As we've been told,